In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to preview a new look safely, and how to make it live when you're ready. First, open your Shopify store and head into your admin dashboard. This is your main control center. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. That will open the Themes area, which is where all the design controls for your storefront live. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme. This is the theme your customers see right now. It's helpful to glance at the name and version so you know what you're currently using. You can customize it if you want, but today we're focusing on switching to a different theme. To change it, scroll down the page to your theme library. This section contains other themes that are available to you. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the design you want to explore. When you find one you like, click it to open its details. Next, click Try Theme. This opens a full preview, letting you see how your store would look with the new design without affecting what customers see. Use this preview to check your homepage layout, navigation, product pages, and key sections like the cart and footer. If any text looks off or images need tweaking, that's normal. Different themes display content differently. The preview helps you catch those details before anything goes live. If the preview looks good and you're confident in the change, click Publish to activate it. Publishing makes the new theme your live theme instantly. Don't worry, your previous theme isn't deleted. It stays in your theme library, so you can switch back later if you need to. Publishing simply determines which theme is set as the live version customers see. After publishing, give your store a quick once-over on the live site. Visit your homepage, a product page, and your checkout to confirm everything looks and functions as expected. Clearing your browser cache or viewing in an incognito window can help you see the latest version right away. That's all there is to it. Open your Shopify store, click Online Store, review your current theme, scroll down to pick another theme, click Try Theme to preview, and click Publish to make it live. With these steps, you can refresh your storefront confidently and keep your brand looking sharp.